Hello, Sebastian here from Twin Peaks. In this video, we take another look at alarms, signal, and notifications in the Sidi footprint indicator, because sometimes you have several charts open and can't pay attention to everything, but you can get excellent notifications from the software. The alarms include sounds, so you can also store sounds. You can be notified of various events. So here we go. Session, open, close. If you activate this, you can set an alarm here accordingly, says at what time this should be, and then you get an acoustic notification here. Or you say, okay, for the trades, here there is also the setting bar in seconds for each, means either after a certain number of seconds, which is set here above. This alarm can be issued again or only in the next bar. No sounds are currently stored here, so I'm getting an error here. But here we can just say, all right, with the trades that I have, the calculation mode, statistic button, use in this here, this is what the whole thing refers to, cell color mode. And then we can set a threshold here. Accordingly, so in this case, means that I would be notified from 1,000 trades. And we have the whole thing for all kinds of things. Minimum volume that must be reached. Minimum volume per S that must be reached. Buy or sell volume, delta. You can see a lot here that imbalances must have arisen, stacked imbalances, or also that the POC, for example, .eg, that a condition must be fulfilled here accordingly. E.g. a naked POG has been achieved here accordingly. Yes, so that is possible. Or also the whole thing as a delta POC value area, that there are imbalances here again, or these market memory or the volume cluster zones, which as soon as they are created here, I receive a notification. So there are many different ways to display the whole here, to be notified here as alerts. And also signals. I can display a marker here for a delta volume divergence. So here again is very, very well described what the whole thing actually is. And if this condition is met, then I get a marker under the corresponding bar. And the whole thing is then displayed here as I have it. So we also have various options for displaying this graphically. We don't have a variant of this here at the moment, but I'd like to try it out in this area signal. And we can do the same thing again with the notifications via email. Depending on when an alert is issued here, we can also have an email sent to and will then be notified. So it is also very, very exciting, especially in swing trading. If, for example, we work on a daily basis or on a 4-hour basis, 8-hour basis, and if certain volumes are exceeded, we can then also have an email sent to us as an example. This whole area of alarms, signals, and notifications is intended for this purpose. This brings us to the end of this video series, and I hope you have been able to take a lot away with you. Feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. You can find the relevant addresses here. You can contact Sidi by email, 2001, or here via Discord. We would recommend this anyway. Join this Discord server to get all information here, to be able to open support tickets regarding the Sidi products. We'll see you next time.